China-Laos Railway inducted its first group of Lao train drivers on Saturday. All 66 Lao trainees have passed the examination for assistant train drivers. According to the Laos China Railway Company Limited, which is responsible for the operation of the Lao section of the China-Laos Railway, the company has been speeding up local talent development since the inauguration of the railway in December last year. Through the study of theories as well as a one-on-one internship on the train, the trainees have mastered relevant knowledge and accumulated abundant driving experiences. After about half a year of intensive training, all 66 Lao trainees have respectively taken on duties on the EMU, the passenger and freight trains, and special engineering locomotives for over 10,000 kilometers. According to the LCRC, a joint venture based in the Lao capital Vientiane, the 66 Lao assistant train drivers will firstly go to work with Chinese train drivers, and the Lao crews will work independently in the future.